Kia ora and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is my festival inspired makeup glam. So first off, we're going to start with some MAC Fix Plus spray, get that skin nice and prepped. And now I'm going to grab my ABH Brow Wiz. This is in dark brown. Basically just going to shape my brows. You guys know the drill. Now I'm just going to grab my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium, and I'm basically just carving out my brows, just making them a little bit more perfect, and then I'm just going to use my sponge just to blend that all out. And then now for setting in that concealer, I'm just using the Mercier translucent powder just to get my eyes prepped. And then now I'm grabbing my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm just using the shade Flamingo as a transition shade. I'm going to be doing a lot of like building up the color that I want. So this is my first shade, nice and light. And then now I'm grabbing the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. This is beautiful. And I'm just using this pink shade. I have never done a look like this before, so I'm really excited. I decided to grab a little bit of tape because I was going to do a winged liner. But in the end I didn't actually do a wing liner, but that's why I grabbed the tape. And then I'm just deepening it up a little bit with this purple shade. And then now I'm grabbing the ABH Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just grabbing this color here, Love Letter I think it's called, and I'm just going to put this in my crease just to deepen it up a little bit. And now for the base of my eyelid, I'm just using this MAC Painterly paint pot and just putting this in the center of my eyelid just as a base before I go in with the shimmer. So I'm just using this 24K shadow from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I'm just putting that on the center of my lid before I go in with glitter. So this is from NYX Cosmetics, just a gold glitter. So I put on the glue first, and then now I'm going in with the glitter on top just to make my eyes pop. And now my faves, Maybelline mascara, just applying this on before I turn to lashes. Now I'm just going to grab my lashes, the Huda Beauty Farah lashes, and then I turn to my face. So for all of you that go into One Love and you're worried about getting shiny oily skin, use this baby. So this is like a mattifying gel that you apply before you apply your primer. So I use that just at the beginning, and then I go in with my Porefessional Pure primer. And now for foundation, I am using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. This is really good for wanting a matte finish as well. If you don't want to be all shiny and oily throughout the day, then this is for you. And then now for concealing, I am just going to use the Tarte Shape Tape again. I actually already concealed, but I wasn't recording, so this is me basically applying it again while I look like really, really white. So I've basically got 2 layers of concealer on right now. And then I'm going to set that baby in, and I'm just grabbing my Mercier translucent powder and just setting in where I just applied the concealer. And going back to those first couple of shades that I used at the beginning, and I'm just putting these along my bottom waterline and just underneath my lashes, just to kind of just blending it all out, just so that it kind of links up to the top eye, if that makes sense. Oh, you'll see in my movements, you'll see what I'm up to. And then now I'm just going to grab my NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm just putting this on my waterline just to make my eyes pop. And then mascara, obviously, on the bottom lashes. And now I'm just going to set in the rest of my face using the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Powder, just brushing that all over as usual. Now for bronzing, I, as always, use the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola bronzer. I did forget to put blush on, so yeah. And now I'm just grabbing my MAC Cosmetics Nylon Eyeshadow just to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Okay, so this is the part where I put the foil, the gold foil on my face. I'm just using the Duo adhesive, like the Lash glue. I'm putting this on where I want the foil to go. And this is basically how you're supposed to do it. It felt really, really weird, but it was my first time using it. If you want to find out where you can buy these from, just type it in Google, and it usually comes up with like cake places that do them. So now for highlight, I'm just using my MAC Oh Darling, and I'm just putting a little bit on the top. Like I said, I forgot to do blush and I forgot to do highlight until now, so I'm just kind of going over it anyway. And just playing it on my nose, my cupid's bow, and on my chin, just those high points of my face. Now for lips, I'm grabbing my MAC Cosmetics Stripdown Lip Pencil. lining my lips first. This is my favorite combo. And then I use the MAC Peachstock lipstick. You can wear it like that if you like matte lips, or you can go in with gloss. So I like to use the MAC Oyster Lip Gloss. So you can just wear it exactly how it was just then, or you can be extra as fuck and you can draw the little dots on your face on top of your brow. And if you're wanting the really nice glowy look on your body, just spray your body with some MAC Fix Plus spray and just grab the highlighter and just brush that all over. And that is it. That's my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing time at One Love. Peace.